Okay. Whoever keeps on killing me. Okay, so today at school, our teacher was teaching about like these water things on dams. And then everybody in my classroom replies, "We don't know." My teacher replies back, "Then what do you know?" This one random guy in my classroom screams 6'7". Like literally. He screams it. Okay. That's right. He screams it at the top of his lungs. Okay, everyone just hate him. He screams at the top of his lungs. And immediately everybody just like shames him. Goodbye.